United States, going in lane 4. She's the closest swimmer to Natalie DeToy's world record that was set 8 years ago that we've seen from any swimmer over this distance in this classification. She is only 0.07 of a second, 7/100ths of a second outside DeToy's 0.17 outside DeToy's best. Oh, she gets off decently in lane 4. Does Michelle KONKOLY from the United States. Ashleigh McConnell of Australia got off to a good underwater and streamline, but doesn't make a count in the stroke. Alongside her in 2 is BEECROFT of Australia. ICHINOSE of Japan in lane 1. Took it out hard in the opening 25, but is not holding on. At the moment is BEECROFT just behind KONKOLY of the United States, and WANG of China perhaps third.
Nice touch off the wall there, and she's going to try and extend this lead. We know she'll have a bit of kick in this second 50. But China and looks to be Australia challenging for the second position at this stage, although it is quite even across the pool.
Very even at the moment, but the second through to fifth is going to be relatively even. But there is one swimmer who's going to win it, and it is Michelle KONKOLY of the United States of America. Look how close it is for second through to fifth between the swimmers. KONKOLY will win it just outside world record time, but indeed near her best. It is Australia who managed a third place through McConnell, with Jialing closing quickest outside of WANG. So WANG finds herself relegated to fifth overall, with BEECROFT managing to sneak in fourth position. She's very happy with that time, is Michelle KONKOLY. At her last Paralympic Games, despite being at her first Paralympic Games, this is the only Paralympic Games she is planned on competing at, and she wants to make it count.
Well, she was great out of the blocks, and already by the halfway mark of that first 50 was opening up a lead, and really a demonstration of how to swim a strong 100 metres, because she didn't tire at all, even though she'd set a good 50 to start off with, and in the end significantly faster than the next 2 fastest qualifiers going into the final.
Well, Michelle KONKOLY has sent out a little reminder of her speed.